Blackmagic Design at NAB 2018 announced their latest and greatest camera, Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. And this camera is gonna be a huge deal. To understand why it's a game changer, let's quickly look at the specs and compare it to other cameras currently on the market. So Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, let's just call it Pocket 4K for short, can not only shoot in UHD 4K, but also DCI 4K, in ProRes or RAW format, and can do it up to 60 frames per second. Just think about it for a moment. In September, you will be able to buy a camera in a DSLR size body that can shoot 4K 60 internally. This is absolutely crazy in the best possible way. Right now on the market in a small form factor with interchangeable lenses and relatively affordable price range, so we're talking like below 3K, there are only two cameras that can shoot 4K 60 internally, and it's of course Panasonic GH5 and GH5S, and only one I believe that can shoot DCI 4K 60 internally, which is GH5S. The other great news about Pocket 4K is that it can record in compressed RAW, so you will be able to retain all the RAW controls and save some space at the same time. As of right now, April 2018, they support only Cinema DNG RAW, but since Apple unveiled their new ProRes RAW codec just few days ago and Pocket 4K camera will ship only in September, I'm inclined to believe they will end the support of ProRes RAW in the near future. So how else can Pocket Cinema Camera 4K impress us? It has two card slots, Fast SD, UHS 2 and CFast 2, but it also has something that I think no other camera can do at the moment. It has USB-C connector and you can actually connect external SSD and record your footage directly to the SSDs, which is just crazy. It's so amazing. I cannot believe this camera packs all these features in such a small body. It also has dual native ISO, 400 and 3200, and it can go up to 25,600, which is again simply amazing. It has MFT mount, so all micro four thirds lenses will fit perfectly. Also, you can use adapters to mount other lenses like Canon or Nikon. It has full-sized HDMI with clean 10-bit output, huge 5-inch 1080p touchscreen on the back. Unfortunately, and this is I think the only downside I can think of, is that the screen is fixed, it's not tilty or flippy one. It has 13 stops of dynamic range, can shoot window 1080p at 120 fps, and unfortunately right now we don't know what kind of crop factor will it be when you shoot 120 fps. It even has mini XLR with phantom power, so with small adapter you can connect high quality professional mic, and also it packs standard 3.5mm input for microphone, and also headphone jack for monitoring your audio, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, even from this one perspective, camera that shoots 4K and has microphone input and headphone jack in the price range below 1.5K, right now you can count cameras like this on your one hand, Nikon D7500 and Panasonic GH4. And even below 2K, you can only find fistful of cameras like that. D500, Olympus OMD EM1 Mark II, Panasonic G9 and GH5, and new Sony A7 III. So what Blackmagic's doing is absolutely incredible. Pocket 4K camera is using Canon's LP6 batteries, which are pretty popular, and although it won't record for that long, around 1 hour, but also you have 12-volt power connectors, so you could run the camera right from the wall. Do you know what's even crazier about Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K? The price. Blackmagic Design will sell this absolute masterpiece of technology for, get this, $12.95. And they will include their DaVinci Resolve Studio software, which itself costs $2.99. This is just absolute madness! Once again, the company is disrupting the industry with great product that is priced very aggressively. It was just 6 years ago when at NAB 2012 they unveiled their first cinema camera for unprecedented $3,000, and since then they've become very strong contender on the market with their Ursa Mini and studio cameras and other products, and now they are once again disrupting the status quo by giving customers camera packed full of features at a super affordable price. I'm extremely happy that they exist and continue doing what they're doing, and I'll be definitely checking this camera upon its release. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like, and take care.